Hello and welcome to this magical world of the angels on the earth. So in this video I'm going to do unboxing of an amazing angel card deck. Actually I was so excited about this that I have unwrapped it already, yet I'm opening it up for the first time. So this is the card deck that we're going to be unboxing. Let's dive into this. So the box is pretty amazing. It is good quality box. At the back it shows two of the cards in there and some write-up, and the beauty about this entire thing is that there are these amazing peacock feathers, and I'm really fond of peacock feathers since my childhood, so that is what fascinated me the most towards it. And here it is, the guidebook. So unlike other angel oracle card decks that I have seen, usually they have same cover on the guidebook as well as the box, but here, if you can see here, right, it has different, the box is different as well as this one is different. Like I'll show you here, if you see here. Yeah, now let's dive into this. The guidebook actually has black and white write-up inside, and it just says how to use mystical cards, mystical wisdom cards. So it shows the picture of the card and how it has the message, and then it says the mantra, right? Oh, it's amazing. So that's how this look like. Now let me take this out. The cards, amazing. They were also actually wrapped up in a foil, or like it was wrapped, yet I opened it. So if you can see here, the cover, like the back of the cards, is actually it's a matte finish. It's not very glossy, and it's a very simple card, but yet it has very nice colors to it. So purple is my favorite color, which is really nice. So yeah, let's dive into this one. So here we go. That's the first card, which is the gratitude. Be grateful for all you have. And then we have Archangel Gabriel. Yeah, Archangel Gabriel is actually angel of associated with kids, and this one picture actually shows Gabriel with the copper color halo and with a lot of kids around. So it's very pretty card, very nice design. And then we have Archangel Raphael, healing the earth. Here, very nice card. And we have Angel of Miracles. I love the word miracle. Really resonate with it. Choices, make the best choices. Nice card. So I can see that mystical wisdom card deck has a lot of earthly feeling to it. Yeah, it has these, wow, again the peacock color feathers shown here, the tiger, competition. Okay, so we have confrontation. Yeah, then we have creative wonderment. Amazing card, beautiful creative card. Then we have dolphins. I just love dolphins, and yeah, it's very pretty card. Then we have dove. Look at the globe there, and the butterflies, and so every card actually looks like a painting in itself. Dragon, discover your courage. Wow. Dragonfly, dreams. Yeah, I'm actually called upon to do a program on dream analysis. Please let me know in the comment box if you would like me to make that entire program for you. It says go with the flow. Isn't it amazing at times to just go with the flow? Good fortune. Awesome. Illusion. Intuition. Amazing card again. Knowledge. Peacock card. This is really nice. I love peacock feather actually, so I get very excited every time I see a peacock feather. And then we have this potential card. It's so pretty the way, you know, the child is actually looking at it, and all these, you know, beautiful maybe fairies or elementals. Beautiful. Resilience. Self-reliance. Very pretty card. If you see this, it literally shows a woman who's confident, who is self-reliant. Don't be afraid to fly solo. Yeah. Sensuality. Wow. And you're going to receive your own sensuality. Express your sensuality, it says. 7 deadly sins. Humanity, destructive traits. Yeah. 7 heavenly virtues. Then we have unicorn. I wonder what this message has to say for me. Invite serendipity. Vacation. Take time for relaxation and adventure. Legends. This is really nice card. It has a lot of nature spirits, you know, shown in the card. So it's really nice. Learn from those who inspire you. Letting go. Learn to let go. Past memories. People. Memories. Wow. Cherish memories of loved ones. Money. Isn't this amazing card? Leadership. Set your goals. I love the lion in this, you know. Lion is one of my power animal. Moving forward. Get ready for positive change. Yeah. New beginning. Begin your new life. Look at this beautiful character there. And then we have opportunity knocks. Go for it. Yeah. Originality. Blaze your own trail. Wow, this is really amazing. Owl. This is also an amazing card. Yeah, I've been seeing owl quite a lot these days. I wonder. Oh wow, this is actually the card that pulled me towards this deck. This is enlightenment. Actually, it looks like Ma Lakshmi. It's really pretty how these peacocks are there, and then the third eye just shows all this rainbow colors, and how this, you know, this abundance, this gold coins here, and these elephants. Really amazing card here. Okay, and then we have Epiphany. Seek clarity. All right. Then we have Face your fears. Release the power of fear. Release the power of fear. Okay. Friendship. Nurture your friendships. Animal bond. Yeah, I know. Then we have Battle of Blues. Then we have Celebration. Let go and have fun. It's time to let go and have fun. Cheer up, live in the moment. Oh wow, pretty card there. And then we have the children card. Know that your children are protected. And your inner child too. So these were these amazing cards. I really love the energy of many of them. And let's do a quick reading for those of you who are watching this video. Let's see what can we receive from this divination, this amazing oracle cards. So I'm just going to spread this here, and I'm going to just pick one card for you and see what is the message for you. Originality, blaze your own trail. So that's what this card deck is asking you to do. Angels are asking you to be original now. It's time for you to be original, your own. This is time for you to shine your own light. Yeah. So with that, I come to an end of this amazing unboxing video of this amazing mystical wisdom card deck. Yes, my name is Shree Dembla. I am a psychic coach as well as a consciousness facilitator. Please let me know, how did you like this video? What other videos would you like me to make? What more cards you would like me to make these unboxing videos for, if you would like to. And definitely I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. Bye bye.